Assalamu alaikum. Want your Quran recitation to calm hearts? Then you need to learn this peaceful tune. Maqam Sika is known for its emotional softness. It's a tone used by many Qaris to create peaceful recitation, and it's easy to learn. Let's warm up using this melody. Soft and slow. Ah, ga, fa, ga. Don't rush, just feel the calm. This time, repeat with slight variation. Ah, ga, fa. Focus on control and flow. Let's apply it to a short surah. Try reciting Qul huwallahu ahad with this calm Sika tone. Let every word flow. If you keep practicing like this every day, your voice will naturally sound more spiritual and beautiful, just like your favorite Qaris. Want to sound like the Qaris you love? Subscribe now and glow up your recitation with daily training, tune by tune, ayah by ayah.